I'm going to show you how to conduct a literature review when you're just starting out. So I'm going to go to our library database, which is at UOIT, and there's library sitting right there. So I'm going to use that, click on UOIT library. And I can search for books, ebooks, articles, and everything all in one. So I'm going to start that out. All right, so in this case, I'm going to look for flipped classroom. There it is there, in quotes, and there it comes up with 547 results, more than I'd ever need. And what I would like to do, this is an academic search, so I'm going to limit the articles from peer-reviewed publications. So I'm going to do that, and brings it down to 164. Now, we have journal articles here, and book reviews, and magazine articles. I'm actually only interested in journal articles, so I'm going to do that. But you can start to reduce what you want to search for, and if you want to, and it just depends on your search, you can start to look at subject terms and publication dates. So you might want more recent articles, and so you can put a year in here. In this case, Flip Learning is pretty recent, so I'm going to take all articles. And right now I have 140. And here I can see these are all going to be available to me. So this is an article by Bill Tucker, and it's 2012. And if I want that article, I can just click online and I can start to search for my articles and then save them. And so it's a great general way to start looking for a topic and seeing what's available.